Yong Choo Kiong is a Malaysian politician who has served as member of the Perak State Legislative Assembly for Tronoh since May 2013. He served as member of the Perak State Executive Council in the Pakatan Harapan state administration under former Menteri Besar Ahmad Faizal Azumu from May 2018 to the collapse of the PH state administration in March 2020. He is a member of the Malaysian Nation Party and was a member of the Malaysian United Indigenous Party, a component party of the state-ruling Perikatan Nasional coalition, and Democratic Action Party, a component party of the PH opposition coalition. On 7 December 2021, the High Court ordered Yong to enter his defense for the charge of raping his former Indonesian maid 2 years ago. He was found guilty of the offense on 27 July 2022 and was sentenced with 13 years jail and 2 lashes of the cane. Yong Choo Kiong was born in Setiawan, Perak. His family were settlers of New Village program introduced during the British rule of Malaya. Yong received his education from SJKC Pay Min Air Tawar and subsequently from SMK Ambrose, Air Tawar, as well as Nan Hua High School of Air Tawar. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.